how to transfer money from Monzo to Lloyds. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from Monzo Bank to your Lloyds Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to make a wire transfer between Monzo Bank to your Lloyds Bank, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you download the Monzo mobile banking application here, and once you've done that, make sure that you have signed up for it, and then just tap the I already have an account option and log into your online banking account by simply entering your email address and tapping the next option here. Once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then open the email application here and then just log in to your Monzo bank account over here by receiving the link. Now once you basically log into your Monzo application, what it does is that on the next page what you have to do is select the option called make an international transfer, and once you select the option known as make an international transfer, you should be able to go ahead and then select Lloyds Bank, enter the amount of dollars you want to send, and then you will be able to send money in that regard. This way you can send or transfer money from Monzo to Lloyds Bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.